Jai Hind students, this is for class 8th history, chapter number 7, civilizing the natives, educating the nation. So, in this chapter we will learn about how does Britishers affected Indian students, Indian education policies, Indian spiritual knowledge by their senses, by their European manner. So they also interfere in our nation for doing so. They only want, they don't only want to conquer and control over the revenue as per they had affected rajas, nawab, peasants and tribes, but they also think that they have a culture mission, and that is to civilize the natives, their customs and values. Now, how the British saw education. So, in the education sector, I had already told that before taking any steps, Britishers generally do the survey, do the investigation, do the research of the subject, whatever they were taking. They were going to take any type of steps or any type of uh, reformations or any type of actions. So in this matter, they also firstly try to do survey and research of all the educational policies, for which they have surveyed about the 200 years and several records of Indian scriptures, and try to know about the Indian how Indians were to be educated in our ancient time and medieval time. The tradition of the Orientalism. Now here is a term Orientalism. Orientalism means that this term relate for the eastern part of the world. I mean to say that Oriental term is used for uh, Asiatic nations, just like India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, China. They were known as Orient in the western part. I mean to say about the European nations. We called as Orients. So Orientalism, tradition of the Orientalism for education, we will learn. I had already told that firstly they, before taking any step, they do the research of the subject matter. So William Jones arrived at Calcutta and appointed as a junior judge in the Supreme Court, and company has set up him uh, because he have a very good knowledge of the law. Jones was a linguist. He know too much type of language, just like Greek, Latin, and in Oxford and French and English, and he learned Arabic by his friend, and uh, Persian at Calcutta. He also know about the Persian, and he really learned about the Sanskrit knowledge, Sanskrit grammar by pundits. So Jones was very learned person, and he also learned about the law, philosophy, religious policies, uh, morality, arithmetics, medicines, other sciences subjects of the ancient Indian text, as to know that what is the valuation of all these, what is the importance of all these. We want to get a destination point, that how Indians are developed, how Indians are uh, knowledgeous, how Indian have to be improved. So he had already firstly decided to learn all these things, and he had learned. And after it, Jones also shared it by the British officers at Calcutta in times of the Englishman Henry Thomas Colebrook also, and Neanderthal Halhed.